Welcome back to the Fly Dudes vlog. We are driving down to Reno, Nevada to fish, I think I'm in frame, to fish Pyramid Lake with my buddy Bill. This is Josh Gilbert with his mustache. Absolutely horrifying. Bad fishing juju for sure. But we got like 6 hours left in this drive. Pretty drive. We're going to be listening to some enlightening audiobooks today to actually elevate our thinking to become better people.
That's right.
Is that what it does? Does it make us better people?
Probably.
Or maybe we're just
so.
like more mean because people are like less in. I don't know. Either way, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get into a lot of fish. We're gonna meet up with my buddy Bill Kitchen. Maybe have some drinks with him tonight, and then get on the lake first thing tomorrow morning, and maybe meet up with some homies out there. So stay tuned, and let's see what we can do. So we drove in, got to Reno by like, what, 12?
Yeah.
12:30. Had a drink with Bill.
Rolled up to the bar.
Dropped in
$5.
How much did you win?
I won 80. And then I gave you 5 because I was being very gracious and you lost it in about 2 minutes. So I put another 5 in the machine, won $60 more. So, you'd think that was a good sign.
That's usually like...
But then Andrew had to open his mouth and say, "Oh, it's going to be bonkers today." Every time he says that. It sucks.
It's a specific word, bonkers. But, yeah, so it's been slow. The guy next to me landed an 18-pound fish, like, first thing in the morning.
I straightened a hook.
You straightened a hook on a dink.
No, I had to have been big.
Or small, dude.
It straightened, it was big.
Anyways, so not going so hot yet today. We'll try and like maybe get some video of fish at some point, just to prove that if we freaking catch fish at all. Anyway,
I will.
Bill's heading home soon, and then our homie Doug Ouellette's coming up. Doug Ouellette's coming up to hang out. But yeah, so stay tuned. We're stoked. We also didn't go to sleep last night. I forgot to mention that. We got to Bill's house and we were like, let's talk about fishing. And then 3:30 came and we had to leave. So we didn't sleep.
And then we got here and there's already a group of dinguses putting their ladders up.
A bunch of grade A dinguses. Dingai. Is that plural for dingus? Yeah. Just bad news altogether. But good news is we're fishing. And you know what they say? A bad day of fishing is better than a good day at the office.
Yeah. Nice day.
Yeah, it looks nice, but there's wind in it. Like my face and my hands are wind burnt. And I have sausage fingers, so like it's a double loss. And Josh is just ugly in general. Alright, let's try and catch a fish. on the last light fish. Look at that. Nothing huge. This is like a regular fish for this lake. So, soak on it. We're out of here. It was a brutal 4 days of fishing. I mean, we caught some fish, no doubt, but you don't come to Pyramid Lake for fish like that are less than 10 pounds, as like spoiled as that sounds. Josh is getting ready, and we're just on our way out. We'll drive home, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry there wasn't a whole lot of like filler footage. It's just when the fishing is that tough, your goal is just to get into fish, not to like really get a bunch of other stuff. So on that note, we're out of here. Josh, you have a good time on your first trip at Pyramid?
It was alright.
It's all right. It was
No, it was fun.
It was fun.
Just tough.
Just tough fishing. But well, stay tuned next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Josh Gilbert, the mustache man. All right, we're out. Peace.